To add a new asset, start by selecting the asset type from the left-hand navigation bar. In this video, we'll be adding a new piece of general equipment. Tap General Equipment in the side navigation bar, then tap Add New at the top of the screen. On the next screen, begin by entering the equipment's name. Next, select the make and model association, or if you don't have an association yet, add a new make and model. We will be adding a new make and model since there aren't any in our database yet. You can select from previously entered makes, model numbers, and vendors, or create new ones if they're not yet in your database. Only the make and model number fields are required. Once you've entered the make and model, tap Save Equipment. This will automatically fill in the corresponding fields. The make and model association helps keep your data organized and speeds up future data entry when adding multiple assets of the same type, such as hydrants. The cost, address, city, and state fields are optional. For coordinates, if you're using a mobile device and standing near the asset, click the location marker to grab your current coordinates. If you're on a desktop, you can enter them manually or use the location marker and move the asset to the correct location on the interactive map after the asset is added to your database. The installation date is also optional. Next, we'll add a zone. Since we don't have any zones in our database yet, we'll create a new one. You can also use zones to identify buildings or areas where equipment may be stored at your facility. Tap Add New Zone and enter a zone type. This could be a zone, facility, subdivision, sector, or any classification your organization uses. For this example, we'll use building. Then enter the zone name or number and click Save Zone. You can add notes about the asset if needed, then upload one or more photos. When you're done, click Save Item. The asset is now stored in your general equipment database. If you need to adjust the asset's location on the map, tap the marker, select Edit Location, and drag it to the correct position. That's it. You've successfully added a new asset to your database.